Welcome to your 12-week marathon journey.
Ready to run your first marathon? This beginner-friendly 12-week blueprint is designed to guide you from zero to the finish line safely and confidently. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fulfill a life goal, this plan gives you clear step-by-step guidance to help you prepare, train smart, and cross your first marathon finish line.
Weeks 1 to 4. Building a solid foundation.
During the first 4 weeks, focus on consistency and gradual progress. Begin with 3 to 4 runs per week, mixing easy-paced runs with a longer distance on weekends. Start with as little as 2 or 3 miles per run. Concentrate on time spent running, not speed or distance, and add gentle cross-training, like walking or cycling, to boost endurance and prevent injury.
Weeks 5 to 8. Increasing distance and confidence.
Gradually increase your weekly mileage by about 10% each week. Keep most runs easy, but make your weekend long run a little longer each time. Introduce simple strength exercises like squats and lunges to help avoid injury. Pay attention to your body. Rest if you feel pain, and celebrate every milestone as your stamina grows.
Weeks 9 to 11. Peak training and preparation.
As you reach peak training, your long runs should reach 16 to 20 miles. Keep weekly run totals manageable, allowing your body to adapt. Practice fueling strategies. Use sports drinks or energy gels on long runs. Fine-tune gear choices. Test clothing and break in your marathon shoes. Focus on good sleep, hydration, and managing any aches early.
Week 12. Taper, rest, and race day success.
In the final week, reduce your mileage and let your body recover. This is called tapering. Eat familiar, balanced meals and stay hydrated. Organize your gear and plan race day logistics ahead of time. Trust your training, get plenty of rest, and remember to enjoy the excitement. When the big day arrives, start slow and savor every step toward your finish line.